Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing the world. It's transforming industries, creating new possibilities, and presenting unique challenges. From healthcare to finance, AI is revolutionizing the way we live and work. To navigate this new landscape, we need skilled professionals who understand both the theory and practice of AI. These individuals will be the pioneers of tomorrow, driving innovation and progress. This is where the PI School of AI comes in. Our institution is at the forefront of AI education, offering a comprehensive curriculum designed to meet the demands of the future. We are dedicated to providing cutting-edge AI education that equips individuals and organizations with the tools they need to succeed. Our programs are tailored to foster both technical expertise and creative problem-solving skills. Our mission is to bridge the gap between academic knowledge and real-world applications, ensuring that our students are well prepared for the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. Fostering a new generation of AI leaders. We aim to cultivate a diverse and inclusive community of learners who are passionate about making a difference. We believe in a hands-on, project-based learning approach that empowers students to develop practical skills and solve real-world problems. By working on real projects, students gain invaluable experience that prepares them for their future careers. We offer a range of programs designed to cater to different needs and skill levels, ensuring that everyone finds a path that suits their aspirations. Our flagship program is the Master's Program in Artificial Intelligence, a course that stands out for its depth and breadth. This comprehensive program covers the theoretical foundations of AI, delving into complex algorithms, as well as its practical applications in real-world scenarios. For professionals seeking to enhance their skills, we offer corporate training programs tailored to specific industry needs, ensuring relevance and immediate applicability. We also provide AI project development services, partnering with companies to develop and implement cutting-edge AI solutions that drive innovation and efficiency. Whether you're a student eager to learn, a professional aiming to upskill, or an organization looking to innovate, PI School has a program to help you harness the transformative power of AI. One of the things that sets PI School apart is our unique business model. We believe that true learning happens when theory meets practice. That's why we've integrated practical project work into all our programs. Students in our master's program work on real-world AI projects sponsored by industry partners. This provides them with invaluable hands-on experience and the opportunity to apply their knowledge to solve real-world problems. This approach not only benefits our students but also our industry partners, who gain access to fresh perspectives and innovative solutions. Section 4. Bridging the gap from theory to practice. Our goal is to create job-ready AI professionals who can hit the ground running. We achieve this by providing a rigorous curriculum that combines theoretical knowledge with practical skills development. Our programs are taught by experienced industry professionals who bring their real-world expertise to the classroom. We also emphasize the importance of responsible AI development and deployment. Our students learn about the ethical considerations surrounding AI and how to build AI systems that are fair, unbiased, and beneficial to society. Section 5. A hands-on approach to learning. At PI School, we believe in a hands-on, project-based learning approach. Our classes are small and interactive, allowing for personalized attention and direct mentorship from instructors. Students work on real-world projects throughout their studies, gaining practical experience and building a portfolio of work they can showcase to potential employers. We also provide access to state-of-the-art AI tools and resources, ensuring that our students are equipped with the latest technologies. Section 6. Shaping the future of AI. The field of AI is constantly evolving, and we are committed to staying ahead of the curve by embracing innovation and continuous learning. We regularly update our curriculum to reflect the latest advancements in AI, incorporating cutting-edge research and practical applications. This ensures that our students receive the most relevant and up-to-date education, preparing them for the challenges and opportunities of the future. We believe that AI has the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing problems, from healthcare to environmental conservation and beyond. We are excited to be at the forefront of this transformative field, driving innovation and making impactful discoveries. By educating the next generation of AI leaders, we are not just teaching them skills, but also inspiring them to think critically and creatively. Together, we are shaping the future of AI and its profound impact on the world, ensuring a brighter and more innovative tomorrow.